Good morning, everyone. This video is designed to assist our students and their families with logging in not only to MyPlan and getting into their Canvas page, but also the understanding we have in talking to many of our families who are seeking assistance or tech support is that Zoom is not working for them in a particular circumstance or getting into a certain class. So there's a simple fix for that, and a lot of our students, if they pay attention to this video, will have no issue getting into a Zoom session for their classes. So here we go. The first thing that you need to do is log into MyPlan. So you'll go to the MyPlan page. You'll put in your login and password, which will again be different for all of you. And once you log in, we'll give it a moment here, you're going to see all of your individual apps pop up. You should see Canvas, and somewhere in here you will see the Zoom icon. This is very important. Some of you will notice that this Zoom icon appears down toward the bottom or somewhere else. You can move it around so that it appears in a convenient spot for you. But I want to reiterate, you may not go to the URL bar and just type in Zoom and try to get in that way. That's the issue that many of our students and families are having, is they are not using this Zoom icon to get into their Zoom account. So once you're in MyPlan, you'll click on that Zoom icon. Your page will pop up with your account. You'll want to go to this area where your account will pop up, and you should see this nice colorful little graphic that says basic here that says you are logged in to Zoom under the correct email address. You just need to verify that, leave this window open, go back to MyPlan, and now go into Canvas. So now at this point you are logged in appropriately to Zoom through MyPlan. Obviously, you're going to have different courses than I do. You'll have your first, second, third, all the way up to 7th or 8th period classes. You will click on one of those classes, and once you do that, you will be able to access that teacher's Zoom session. But again, to reiterate, you must go into Zoom through MyPlan and through this icon. Okay, so again, that is a very simple three-step process. If you can do that, you should not have any issue getting into the Zoom session. If you have any questions, please continue to reach out to your teachers or our administrators here at Meadowbrook, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful weekend, everybody.